Hello, John Mills, John Mills Residential Mortgages at South Bay Equity Lending. It's Friday, January 17th, and this is your weekly market update. Well, it's interest rates, mortgage interest rates right now, unfortunately, are back to March of 2024 levels. However, there's some encouraging news. As of yesterday, inflation data came in lower than expected. And if you've been watching my videos, you know the Fed was signaling last summer that they were going to make 4 to 5 cuts to the funding rate in 2025. That was the prediction back then. And they revised that to say just one cut based on what looks like Trump's policies. They were concerned were inflationary and just a concern around inflation. But inflation came in a little low today, and now yesterday one of the members of the Fed board said, well, if inflation stays low, we could see more cuts than that. Stock market reacted really favorably. Mortgage rates had a nice improvement day before yesterday. We'll see. It's a wait and see. But I'll tell you what the market around here is doing. People aren't waiting. More and more, it seems more and more homes are on the market. There's more inventory to choose from, and I expect more to come on as we move further into the new year. And also buyers, I'm sensing they're like, we're not waiting, the time's right now. And that's sort of what I've been preaching all along. If you can afford the rate now, you'll never pay a higher rate. You get a 30-year fixed, you're gonna pay that, pay the rate now, but if rates do come down in the future, you can refinance it. But I'll tell you what's also likely to happen, and this is property values continue to go up in Southern California and have been going up, not at the same pace as 2020 and 2021, but they've been steadily increasing. They increase every year. And then we've had this incredible tragedy in the last week, the fires in Pacific Palisades and in Altadena. And it's too early to tell what all the impacts are going to be, but obviously a lot of people are suffering and a lot of people need somewhere to live while their homes get rebuilt, or whether they're going to choose to live somewhere else. But it suddenly adds this whole other dimension to Southern California real estate. And my prediction, just at least in the near term, just because all of a sudden all these houses are destroyed, these are a bunch of people that need somewhere to live. It will likely increase the competition for purchases, for sure increase the competition on rentals, and for the increased competition on purchases, that's going to, in all likelihood, have an effect of pushing prices even higher. So it's the same moral of the story is that if you're thinking about getting a new house, what was the joke I heard? The best time to buy a house is a long time ago. The second best time to buy a house is right now. Prices continue to move up, and you can lock in today's interest rates, and if they do improve in the future, you can lower your rate. I'll keep it brief today. Prayers for those who've been affected by the fires, and there's still a lot of work to be done, but Los Angeles is resilient, so I'll leave it at that. One personal note, a lot of people know me, I'm a Wisconsin Badger, that's where I went to school, but our family is also a Notre Dame family. My daughter graduated from Notre Dame in 2020, and now she works at the Racklin Murphy Museum of Art at the University of Notre Dame in the education department. Fantastic facility, fantastic job, super happy there. So, howdy. So we are a Notre Dame family too, as well as being I'm an ardent Wisconsin Badger. This is a big weekend. So Monday night we play Ohio State. All I can say is, here it is. Go Irish!